Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about lists. So lists are like some data that you keep. So do you know about variables? I mean, of course you do. So lists are very basically a variable is a variable that with multiple strings, and this requires a square bracket. Well, I mean, if you do it like this is called a tuple. If you do it like this is called a set, for example. So let's get started. Should we? So for example, these are this is a list of my friends. So Toby, Maguire, Andrew, Garfield, Tom, Joe. Guys, look, Joe is not Joe Mama, okay? Please don't think that. And no, I'm not going to write Tom Holland. So let's say I want to print these out, and it's easily going to be printed. There's no an error. Ooh, I caught an error. No. If you just do it with the commas and all these stuff, then you'll just get it out printed just fine. Took me a bunch of clicks to print this out, but I mean, I guess I printed it out. And this also can go for numbers. So, for example, lottery winning number equal 12, 18, 9, 4, 69, 42. And I could print out these both of them very easily. So let me see if this actually works or not. Yep, and it does work. And in two different square brackets. Honestly, I would say that's pretty much it in lists, maybe. So there are other stuff here. You could actually use square brackets for this. For example, 4. And just keep in mind that, for example, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and it goes on now. So for example, I would say 0. Let me just remove these numbers because they won't really work. Or I could just add that easy. So it would print out Toby because that is actually 0. That is 0. So that will print out Toby. And let's say I want to print from 2. Print everything besides from 2. So that would print out Andrew, Garfield, Tom, Joe, but it will not print out Tobey Maguire. So, and let's say -2, bang, boom. So oh, come on. Okay, there we go. It will print out Tom and Joe only. But I could also do this. And guys, just please realize something. So when you're starting from here, you do 0. But if you're starting from here, you have to do -1 instead of -0. So keep that in mind so you don't mess up everything. Okay, so and for example, let's do this. Let's do this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also applies for this set. So for example, 5, 1. I don't know what the hell I did there. It's probably gonna end up being error or something. Oh, okay, never mind. It actually printed out something. Okay, so another thing in the list is that you could actually do some. There's actually a special feature. For example, friends 1, actually -1. 1 second. Friends equal Holland. And this is why I went for Tom Joe. So that I could one day change it. But anyways, let me just take my moment to print it out. Yep, Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, Tom Holland. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I will see you in the next video, and goodbye. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning